It's good to see you. I'm Alfred Perlman. I'm a railroad man, and I'd like to tell you something about our railroad and what we're doing on it. Hear that click of the rails? To a railroader, that's the same music as a hush in the theater to an actor before the footlights come up. The click of the wheels on the rails gets into your blood. People tend to take the railroad pretty much for granted. We in the railroad business probably haven't told the story of the changing conditions in our industry. The railroads have been so much a part of our American history and landscape that most of us don't realize how much they have kept changing. For the railroads have changed with the times, and now they have entered what is perhaps the most dynamic period of our development. That is what this picture is about. I hope you'll enjoy it.
Had a job waiting for it from the beginning. Power on the move, looking for wilderness to eat up. Its smoke signals said, "We're coming west with everything you need to clear a forest, make a homestead, build a town." It said, "We're coming east to keep your cities fed, your industries alive and growing." Heavy load to carry, carrying the country on its back from the 19th into the 20th century. From the furrow of the rails sprouted our modern industrial world. The idea of masses of goods for masses of people took shape. This skyline, its signature. One continuous moving assembly line, and the rail itself, part of that line. The steel needing iron ore and power, the power needing coal and oil. Every part of the line connected to every other part. Mile after mile of industrial power. Assembly line of the American economy, and the rail itself part of the line. Like Greenwich time, the freight car load is a standard. It registers the health of the economy. A freight train packages factory loads, tonnages,